Good morning, class 8 students. I welcome you all to the Maths online class supported by Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. Here we deal the chapter 16, Playing with Numbers. And we have seen some properties in the last class. Today we do the problems from letters in digits. Before this topic, we will continue a property of 3-digit numbers. You can watch the class. Next property is of forming 3-digit numbers with given 3 digits. We can see the property of that numbers. Okay. Here, consider the 3-digit number 237. With these 3 digits, that is 2, 3 and 7, which are the possible numbers? 237, 723 and next one 372. Is it? So we can add these 3 numbers to get that property. Add these 3 numbers. The sum of these 3 numbers is 1332 divisible by 37. So, sum of these numbers is divisible by 37. That is a property of these 3-digit numbers with given 3 digits. Okay. Next section, letters in digits. Here, instead of digits, some letters will be in the question or puzzles. We have to solve that puzzles and find that letters. Here 2 rules are there. Each letter in the puzzle must stand for just 1 digit. Each digit must be represented by just 1 letter. That is, for 1 letter, 1 digit. That is the first rule. Second one, the first digit of a number cannot be 0. Every time the first digit a non-zero number. Okay. First digit should be a non-zero digit. Okay. We can do an example. Find Q in the addition. Here one addition is given, but instead 1 digit there is a letter. We want to solve that letter. 31Q plus 1Q3 gets 501. So here no steps are there to insist upon you, but we have to think and find out the letter, or we can solve these problems by thinking ourselves. No such steps or a group of steps to solve here. Okay. So here we have to think. Q plus 3 gives 1. We know that any number, if it is adding more than 1, we won't get 1. So it will be 11. Okay, 11 and 1 is remaining here. So Q plus 3, which number is 11? 3 plus which digit will be 11? 8. And remaining 1 is here. Then 1 plus 8 again we will get 10. 0. Remaining 1 will get 1 plus 3 plus 1 5. So we can solve this question by giving Q equal to 8. Understood? So in this type of questions we have to. So in this way we can think and we will get Q is equal to 8. Check. In the place of Q we will substitute 8 and we have to check the answer is correct or not. So it is satisfies for Q equal to 8 and we'll get 501. Okay. Next example 2. Find A and B in the addition. One addition is giving there A plus A gives BA. That means 1 digit is here, but after addition in the unit place that digit itself. So we know that if 0 plus 0 plus 0 will give 0, or another digit in such a way we will get A is equal to 5, because 5 plus 5 plus 5 will give 15 and here b is equal to 1 will become. So if any other digit if we put here, it will not satisfy because any other digit, for example 2 plus 2 plus 2, it will not be 2. So or any other digit 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, we won't get here the same digit after addition. So we can, the two cases are 0 or 5. But if 0 is here, we know that 0 and here it will not be any digit. In the digit should be a non-zero digit. So here 0 is not possible. Okay. So what will be the digit here? 5. Understood? So this is the way we should select the digits to give for these letters. Okay. So we can write the steps. Sum will be same only if a equal to 0 or 5. So if 0 we found, no digit will be in the tens place. No digit will be in the tens place. 0 plus 0 plus 0, 0. But in the condition it has given that the first digit should be a non-zero digit. Okay. So the next chance is for a is equal to 5. So when addition we will get 15. So we can write a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 1. Okay. BA equal to 15. So in the place of A 5, in the place of B it is 1. So we can write A is equal to 5 and B is equal to 1. This is the solution. Okay. Next example 3. Find the digits A and B in the given product BA into B3 equal to 57A. Understood the question? So here A into 3, the same digit will be here. In which case we can get the same digit here? A into 3. Which all are the digits? 0 or 5. Okay, 0 into 3 will become 0 or 5 into 3 will become 15. Then it will be 5. A is equal to 5. So, next case, if B equal to 1, what will be there? 15 into, if B equal to 1, this number will become 15. 15 into 13. 15 into 13, we don't get 5 and 5. So, we can put B equal to 2. B equal to 2, we can write 25 into 23. In the place of B, we written 2 and will get 25 into 23. Then we will get 575. So what is the solution? B equal to 2 and A equal to 5. So children, in this way you should find the solution. That children, you should think and find out. There is no a predefined steps to follow here. Any of these problems from the textbook and it will be easy.